Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are cover YouTube versus Instagram as a marketing tool. We are covering seven contents: pros of Instagram, pros of YouTube, Instagram versus YouTube, some key statistics, feature of Instagram, features of YouTube. What does this indicate? Thing to remember while choosing the social media platform. Pros of Instagram. Instagram is the most recent and effective platform that can be utilized for branding and acquiring visibility among a targeted audience. The content creation of for Instagram cost less than constructed with that of YouTube. You can utilize your picture and video frequently with higher engagement. Instagram stay the most loved selections of platforms like travel, food, excellence, design, wellness, and lifestyle. The platform Instagram also gives better option in terms of content format. For example, short structure video, long structure video, post pictures, and so on. A scope of highlights can be utilized to improve the visual appearance of the channel, etc. What truly matters is the number of likes and comments you have on your post. You can buy Instagram like and comment to the best engagement and hype on your post. Now, pros of YouTube. YouTube is extraordinary for boosting sales, especially when the influencers share reviews of the product. You can also add links in the description of the videos which can be utilized to purchase the product or services. It is not difficulty to identify the outcomes and connect with the audience effectively. Even after your camping is finished, viewer can get to your videos since they are pretty much practical. YouTube is practically all inclusive in its marketing reach. In this way, individuals from the various niches without much of stress can use it, be a beauty, gaming, amongst or fashions. Instagram versus YouTube, some key statistics. Before we get into the qualitative comparison, let's first compare some number of each platform. These are some statistics for influencer marketing on each platforms. Ready to get started with Instagram. Number of users over 1 billion people all over the world. Average engagement rate is 3%. Average influencer rate is $10 per post, yeah, or thousands followers. The average number of likes on influencing account is 1542. Now get ready with YouTube. YouTube has a number of users over 2 billion people all over the world. Average engagement rate is 18%. Average influencer rate is $20 per post or 1,000 subscriber. The average number of view for influencer videos is 24,343. Now features of Instagram. We have many features in Instagram. Instagram Reels, Instagram QR codes, Instagram Stories, disappearing digital marketing, IGTV, pin comments, boomerangs, mute post or stories. Now features of YouTube. User can search for and watch videos, create a personal YouTube channel, upload videos to your channel like comment, share and other YouTube videos. User can subscribe, follow other YouTube channels and users. Create playlist to organize video and group videos together. This indicates? Well, at first glance, it seems like YouTube or is not only a much larger platform but also has much higher engagement rates. However, that can be attractive to the fact that the platforms only support video posts, which is known to be the most engagement form of content. And if videos are not your forte, or if you want to experiment with different content types, then YouTube is out of the question for you. Overall, at least for video marketing, YouTube seems to be a winner. Things to remember while choosing the right social media platform: relatable content, relevance, and reach. Relatable content, the intention created by the marketing through his content is one of the most important thing in marketing. This is significant for the brand worth and development. Engagement is measured by the number of likes and comments a post get continuously. You need to ask yourself, will my followers or viewers related to the content have made? Relevance, you need to get what sorts of target audience you will discover on the internet at the point when the access the channel different blogs use. You will get what sort of content is prevents on the lookout. Now reach, the number of people you can hypothetically meet on the site. Utilizing the influencer materials is another significant factor to consider. This can be determined by the number of influencers you can discover on a specific social media platform. Now conclusion, both Instagram and YouTube have their importance in the realm of marketing. Therefore, while choosing anyone between these both, considers all the pros and cons of each platform and map a clear idea of your requirements. Comparing Instagram versus YouTube, both platforms are visual. Instagram favors image while YouTube favors long forms videos, but each channel also offers several posting options, which makes it easy for marketers and creators alike to offer more unique and relevant types of controls. Thank you for my side.